In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Gmail. We will do this by installing the official Grammarly extension from the Chrome Web Store and then confirming it is active inside a new Gmail message. This setup is quick, and once it is installed, Grammarly can help you catch spelling, grammar, and clarity issues as you write emails. First, open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. This is where Chrome extensions are listed and installed. When the store loads, move to the search bar near the top left of the page. Click into that search bar, type Grammarly, and then press the Enter key to search. After the results appear, find and click the listing called Grammarly AI Writing Support. Opening the correct result matters because it ensures you are installing the right extension rather than a similar-looking alternative. You should now see the extension page, with details and an install button on the right side. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up. This pop-up is normal, and it is asking for permission to add the extension to your browser. To continue, select the Add Extension button in that pop-up. Wait a moment while Chrome installs it. You may briefly see a confirmation that the extension has been added. Once Grammarly is installed, open Gmail in a new tab. Make sure you are on your inbox screen so you can start a new email. Then click the Compose button in the top left. This opens a new message window where you can begin typing. Now look closely at the bottom right corner of the new message. You are looking for the green Grammarly logo. This icon is the sign that Grammarly is active in Gmail and ready to assist you while you write. If you see it, the installation worked, and you can start typing your email as usual while Grammarly checks your text in the background. And that is all there is to it.